Hello students, today we will be continuing with equations which can be reduced to a pair of linear equations in two variables and continue with exercise 1.4. Before we start with today's class, let us first invoke God's blessing on us. Let's start with an activity on page number 16. The tabular column is as follows. The first question, equation 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. The answer is already written. The number of variables are 2 because x and y variable are present. So the number of variable is 2. But is it a linear equation or not? It is not a linear equation because when we consider the degree of x and y, it is -1. And for linear equation, the degree has to be 1. And that is why 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8 is not a linear equation. Similarly, the next question, 6 upon x minus 1 plus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. Here also the number of variable is 2, but again it is not a linear equation. Third question, 7 upon 2x plus 1 plus 13 upon y plus 2 is equal to 0. Number of variable is 2 but not a linear equation. Last question, 14 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 5. Here there are only two variables present, that is x and y. It is repeated twice but there are only two variables present. So the number of variable is 2 and it is not a linear equation. But like I said in the first slide, that the equations can be reduced into a linear equation. Now, how can you do that? Let's find out. Let's just take the example from the previous tabular column. 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. This equation can be written as 3 into 1 upon x minus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 8. Instead of writing 1 upon x, I can substitute 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. Substituting the value of a and b in my above equation, I get the new equation as 3a plus 4b is equal to b. If I compare this equation with my general equation, it is almost similar. General equation to recollect is nothing but ax plus by is equal to c. So this equation is similar to my general equation. So I can say that this is a linear equation into variable. Let's do one more example. 7 upon 2x plus 1 minus 13 upon y plus 2 is equal to 0. The equation can be written as 7 into 1 upon 2x plus 1 minus 13 into 1 upon y plus 2 is equal to 0. 1 upon 2x plus 1 can be written as m, and 1 upon y plus 2 is equal to n. Resubstituting the values of m and n, I get 7m plus 13n is equal to 8. Now this is my simultaneous equation and I can solve it and get the value. After I get the value of m and n, I can substitute in the equation and then I can get the value of x and y. We shall be solving exercise 1.4, so you will get an idea of how to solve the sum. Exercise 1.4. Solve the following simultaneous equation. The first question, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Let's first give the equation the numbering. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15 can be written as 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15 is my equation 1. Next equation, 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77 is my equation 2. Replacing 1 upon x as m and 1 upon y is equal to n in my equation 1 and 2. So when I substitute m and n in equation 1 and 2, my equation first equation will become 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. This is my equation 3. Now I'll substitute in equation 2. So equation 2 becomes 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. This is my equation 4. Now you got equation 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4 using simultaneous linear equation. If you want, you can solve by any other previous method which we have done. I am solving it through the elimination method. Multiplying equation 3 by 5, I get 10m minus 15n is equal to 75. I give this equation numbering as 5. Now I'll multiply equation 4 by 3. I get 24m plus 15n is equal to 231. Equation 6. Adding equation 5 and 6, I 10m minus 15n is equal to 75 plus 24m plus 15m plus 231. Minus 15n plus 15n gets cancelled. 10m plus 24m is 34m. 75 plus 231 is equal to 306. Therefore, m is equal to 306 divided by 34, which is equal to 9. I got the value of m is equal to 9. I will place m is equal to 9 in my equation 3. That is 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. So I get 2 into 9 minus 3n is equal to 15. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 minus 3n is equal to 15. Minus 3n is equal to 15 minus 18. Minus 3n is equal to minus 3. N is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3. Therefore, the value of n is 1. Now we have got the value of m is equal to 9 and the value of n is equal to 1. But m and n are not the values which we have to find. We have to find the value of x and y. So, but m is equal to 1 upon x and n is equal to 1 upon y. So we shall place the value of m and n in this equation now. So m is equal to 1 upon x. Value of m is nothing but 9. So 9 is equal to 1 upon x and therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9. Similarly, n is equal to 1 upon y. The value of n is 1. So 1 is equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, y is equal to 1 upon 1, which is nothing but 1. Therefore, the solution of the given equation x comma y is 1 upon 9 comma 1. And this is your final answer. Second question, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. The equations can be written as 10 into 1 upon x plus y plus 2 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. It's my equation 1. 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 into 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is my equation second. Replacing 1 upon x plus y as a and 1 upon x minus y as b in my equation 1 and 2. So my new equation becomes 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Equation 3. 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2 is my equation 4. Multiplying equation 3 by 5, I get 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. Equation number 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 2, I get 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Now I shall solve equation 5 and 6. So adding equation 5 and 6, I get 50a plus 10b is equal to 20 plus 30a minus 10b minus 4 plus 10b minus 10b gets cancelled. 50a plus 30a is 80a. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Therefore, a is equal to 16 upon 20. 16 upon 80 is further reduced to 8 into 2 upon 8 into 10. 8 is common, so it gets cancelled. 2 upon 10. 2 upon 10 can be further reduced as 2 into 1 upon 2 into 5. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you're left with 1 upon 5. So the value of a is equal to 1 upon 5. Now I shall place a is equal to 1 upon 5 in my equation 3. Equation 3 is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. So a value is 1 upon 5. Substituting the value 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. So 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. 2b is kept on the left hand side. 2 is taken on the right hand side. So it will become 2b is equal to 4 minus 2. 2b is equal to 2. Therefore, b is equal to 2 upon 2, which is nothing but 1. So the value of b obtained is 1. We do not want the value of a and b. We want to find out the variable x and y. So the next step is but the value of a is equal to 1 upon x plus y and b is equal to 1 upon x minus y. So we shall substitute the values of a and b. A is equal to 1 upon x plus y. A value is 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus y. Cross multiplying x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation A. Next, b is equal to 1 upon x minus y. B value is 1. So 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus y. X minus y is equal to 1. Equation B. We shall solve equation. Adding equation A and B, x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x is 2x, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 2, which is nothing but 3. Substituting the value of x is equal to 3 in my equation A, that is x plus y is equal to 5. 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So the solution obtained for the given equation x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. Let's move to the third question. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Simplifying the equation, 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85 is my equation 1. 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89 is my equation 2. Replacing 1 upon x minus 2 as a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b in my equation 1 and 2. So first equation goes as 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. This is my equation 3. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is my equation 4. If you observe, the coefficient of a and b are interchanged in both the equation. So we shall first add both the equation and then subtract the equation. Adding equation 3 and 4. On adding I get 27a plus 31b is equal to 85. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. On adding 27 plus 31a is equal to 58a. 31b plus 27b is equal to 58b. 85 plus 89 is equal to 174. Dividing the above equation by 58, I get a plus b is equal to 3. This is my equation 5. I'll subtract equation 3 and 4. So 31a plus 27b is equal to 89 minus 27a minus 31b minus 85. Subtraction leads to sign changing. So there is subtraction sign changes. So 31a minus 27a gives you 4a. 27b minus 31b will give you minus 4b. 89 minus 85 will give you 4. Dividing the above equation by 4, I get a minus b is equal to 1 is my equation 6. Solving equation 5 and 6. So I'll add equation 5 and 6. So the equation goes as way. A plus b is equal to 3. A minus b is equal to 1. Plus b minus b is cancelled. A plus a is equal to 2a. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So a is 4 upon 2, which is equal to 2. Substituting the value of a is equal to 2 in equation, a plus b is equal to 3. So 2 plus b is equal to 3. B is equal to 3 minus 2, and therefore b is equal to 1. But a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2. Therefore, 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2. On cross multiplying, 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. Opening the bracket, 2x minus 4 is equal to 1. Bringing the numerical term to one side, 2x is equal to 1 plus 4. Therefore, 2x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 upon 2. Now we shall substitute the value for b. 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. Therefore, 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. On cross multiplying, 1 is equal to 1 into y plus 3. 1 is equal to y plus 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to y, and therefore y is equal to minus 2. So the solution for the given equation is x comma y is 5 upon 2 comma minus 2. Question number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4 is my equation 1. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8 is my equation 2. Replacing 1 upon 3x plus y as m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n in my equation 1 and 2. So my first equation goes as m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. I give the equation numbering 3. The second equation can be written as 1 upon 2m minus 1 upon 2n is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This is my equation 4. Multiplying equation 3 by half, so I get 1 upon 2m plus 1 upon 2n is equal to 3 upon 8, numbering equation 5. Adding equation 4 and 5, 1 upon 2m minus 1 upon 2n is equal to minus 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 2m plus 1 upon 2n is equal to plus 3 upon 8 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 2 up plus 1 upon 2n will get cancelled. 1 upon 2m plus 1 upon 2m is nothing but 1m, and minus 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 is nothing but minus 1 plus 3 upon 8, which is equal to 2 upon 8. 2 upon 8 can be simplified as 1 into 2 upon 4 into 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and so I'm left with only 1 upon 4. So 1m is equal to 1 upon 4, and therefore m is equal to 1 upon 4. Placing m is equal to 1 upon 4 in my equation 3, m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. Moving 1 upon 4 from the left hand side to right hand side, n is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Like denominators, so n is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4. N is equal to 2 upon 4, which is nothing but n is equal to half. Replacing the values of m and n, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m. Therefore, 1 upon 3xy is equal to 1 upon 4. On cross multiplying, 4 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. So 4 is equal to 3x plus y. 3x plus y is equal to 4 is my equation A. 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. So 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply. 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into 3x minus y. 2 is equal to 3x minus y. So 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is my equation B. Now we shall solve equation A and B. So let's do the adding. Adding equation A and B. 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon 6, and therefore the value of x is equal to 1. Placing x is equal to 1 in equation A, that is 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3, and therefore the value of y is 1. So the solution of the given equation is x comma y is 1 comma 1.